Before you install, make sure the device package is in good condition and that all assembly parts are included. Make sure all equipment is powered off. Use your supplied mounting template as a guide to drill the screw holes on the surface where you want to install your camera. Route the camera cables through the mounting base and the side opening. For a cement wall, insert the expansion screws into the screw holes according to the drill template. Secure the camera to the ceiling or wall with the supplied screws. In this video, we will refer the Power over Ethernet cable to PoE cable. Connect this to the camera. Adjust your camera accordingly for optimum view angle of the areas you want to protect. Connect the camera's PoE cable into the NVR's PoE network connector. Connect the monitor and NVR with the HDMI cables. If you want to operate the system with the local menu, the NVR also supports VGA output. Connect the mouse to the NVR via USB port. Connect the NVR to the router with the blue network cable via the network port. Connect the NVR to the power socket with the power cable. Turn the power switch on the rear panel to start the NVR. Startup may take a few minutes and will be ready when images appear on display. Go to your mobile phone and download the EasyViz app on the App Store. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi, then open the EasyViz app. Register your email to create an EasyViz account. Register using your email address. Enter your email and create a password. Then you'll receive a verification code. Enter the verification code into the app. Now, let's add the cameras. On the main menu, click the Add button on the center of the screen. Scan the QR code located on the sticker attached to each of your 4K Ultra HD cameras. Press the Add button to connect your camera. Lastly, select your time zone and date. Then choose View Camera. Now you can enjoy your EasyViz camera. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the 4K Ultra HD.